So at first glance, this looks like a drone that's missing half of its parts. But this is the V-Copter Falcon Mini from Zero Zero Robotics, the world's first V-shaped bicopter under 250 grams. We've seen quadcopters dominate the skies for a decade, but Zero Zero Robotics is betting that 2 propellers are better than 4. And today we're finding out if this unique design is revolutionary for creators or just a really cool gimmick.
MrBlack.
And welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gadgets, gear, and accessories and futuristic tech that comes my way. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger and hit that one right there. And also I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Zero Zero Robotics did send this to me and they're sponsoring this video so that I could take my time, test out all the features, and share the quality and my experiences with you guys. And real quick, in the box, you get some quick guides and info, extra propellers, the V-Copter Falcon Mini itself, which feels very nicely made. You also get a charging cable and the cables to connect to the controller to your phone, which they do include USB-C and Lightning. The controller is also included and it's very compact. I love the way the antennas and the phone mount just folds away, just making it fit nicely in your bag. And the joysticks are also removable. Additionally, you can buy their double battery charger and also an extra battery for double the flight time. So the main question you're gonna be asking, why only 2 motors? Most drones use 4 motors to stay stable, but the Falcon Mini uses proprietary tilt-rotor technology. High precision servos adjust the blade angles with a 0.01 degree of accuracy. Because it has fewer motors and a more aerodynamic V-shape, it's significantly quieter, measuring in at just 62 decibels. And you will notice that as soon as you fly this thing, you're gonna be like, I don't hear it. What is going on? This is the first drone that I've flown where people didn't even hear me take off with it. It's also incredibly lightweight, coming in under 250 grams. Meaning no FAA restrictions. So basically the stealth fighter of the mini drone world. And you'd think a bicopter would be wobbly, but it's surprisingly rock solid. You can actually balance a coin on this thing while it's hovering and it won't come off. In flight, you have 3 modes: normal, sport, and turbo. In turbo mode, this thing is a beast. Because the rotors tilt forward to generate thrust, the acceleration feels much more snappy than traditional quads. And it also has level 4 of wind resistance. But because it only has 2 points of lift, you might feel the gusts a bit more than you would on a heavier quadcopter. But now let's talk about the image quality. We have a 4K camera mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. You get video at 4K 30 frames per second and 12 megapixel photos, but you also get up to 6 times digital zoom. The footage is impressively smooth thanks to its 3-axis gimbal, but it also supports vertical shooting, which is huge for those TikTok and Instagram stars and also on shorts on YouTube. There's even night mode to help clean up the noise when the sun goes down, and that actually looks really good. The dynamic range and stability just punch way above its weight class. But the real kicker here is the efficiency. The Falcon Mini gets up to 34 minutes of flight time. That's industry leading for this weight class. And that's also due to not having to power 4 different motors, just the 2 motors. It does come with a compact controller with a flip out stand for your phone, so you can plug your phone in and use their app and then fly this thing. Very simple and easy to control. And again, having the extra battery and dual charger is a great accessory, so that even doubles your flight time. All right, so I'm just gonna walk you through this a little bit. So you have your joysticks here, and what you're gonna do is push down kind of towards each other, and it will start the flight. It'll start the propellers, and then you just lift it up. Simple as that. And I'm gonna take you through the flight a little bit. So sometimes you have to wait a little for the GPS to connect, but it's usually pretty quick. See some of the buildings in the background right over there. Yeah, it's really nice vision, easy to fly. Hit this back one right here, it turns into sport mode. It goes a lot faster, but check out this shot here. It looks great. There's the motorway. We're just kind of sticking over the park here. One thing I really want to emphasize is how quiet this thing is. So this is right here. I have the iPhone going. It is very quiet. And then to land it, we just lower it all the way down. It'll sense the ground and it'll land. That simple, super easy to fly. And depending on when you're watching this, you can pick this thing up for $289 US and save an additional $20 with my coupon code in the description. But do check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. So all in all, it's quiet, it's portable, 34-minute flight time. If you're a beginner or a creator looking for something that's gonna stand out, this is a fantastic entry point. But what do you think? Are 2 propellers the future of drone technology? Let me know down in the comments. If you want to see some of the other Zero Zero Robotics videos that I've done here on this channel, you can click one of these on the screen, or maybe some of these other ones you might like, or the one that YouTube thinks you're gonna like the most is that one right there. So click one of those, and I'll see you next time.